guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out a microphone by FiFiNE. Thanks FiFiNE for making this video possible. You can check out my whole review playlist in the description below. So taking a look at first in the box, we have the user's manual and a thank you card from FiFiNE, which we'll take a look at in a second. And then we have the microphone in a nice included pouch, which we'll get also to in a second. So looking at the thank you card, pretty straightforward. If you've got any good feedback you want to leave for the product, go do that from the thank you card. And then we have the user's manual. So in here you've got some pretty cool information about how to set this up if you've not used one before. And on the back you've got some pretty important specifications, which I'm going to leave on screen now. Okay, so with the boring stuff out the way, let's take a look at the main attraction of the microphone itself. So inside this pouch, you'll find the huge cable and the microphone itself. It's nice to see a pouch included. I didn't expect this, and you know, it's really cool because you can then transport the microphone in this, maybe if you're going from gig to gig, and then put it in this nice pouch to keep it safe, and then it holds a weight nice and small. So also the cable is nice and beefy and big. I'll put the specifications with the length on screen now. So looking at the microphone, at first touch, it feels very nice and it's very cool, very nice solid metal, build quality is great, it feels very nice and premium. You've got your on switch there, and then this is where your input will go. From what I see, it's nice, it's got a nice weight, you could perform with it easily, but it is very cold, like you'd get kind of cold after holding it for a while, but it's nice and solid. I can't really complain with the building materials used. So as you can see, it also comes with a pop filter on. If we take this off right here, it's a bit of a squeeze, but that will reveal the actual fitted pop filter, so you've got two pop filters on it. Depending on what you're doing, that'll be really useful. And then underneath here, I'm going to unscrew that and I'll show you guys what you've got underneath it for the mic setup. So as you can see, this is a setup we've got going on. It's a pretty standard setup for a microphone of this type. It works really well though. As you can see, we've got one pop filter inside, which is, you know, for the slightly less windy performances, but it will do the standard job as a pop filter. And then if you're outdoors, you'd put on the bigger pop filter, and you'll be definitely keeping your sound nice and crisp. Alright, overall very impressed with the microphone itself. It's a great unit. So moving on to the cable itself, this will be pretty important as well. It's quite an important factor. You want to make sure you've got a nice long cable, because you don't always have to go and buy another one on top. So most people might even have their own one already, so that might not be an issue if this isn't quite the right cable for you. So the link is on the screen now. I'm putting it on again. As you can see, I'm just putting it in here. It fits nice and easily. It clips in, and then you use a metal clip to unclip it out nice and easily. You can easily get converters, so if you were to use this on a computer and you didn't have a 1/4" input, you can actually use lots of adapters, and they would only cost about £5 to £10 depending on the quality that you get. So if this is the only option for you and you do need an adapter, they can be purchased as well. It's a very nice connection. It's of course silver plated, and it's got a nice sort of spring so it won't tear. Alright, so before I wrap up the review, let's do some quick final thoughts. Overall, I'm really impressed with this microphone. The sound quality is great, the build quality is great, and what you get included with the package is unbeatable for the price. So if you are looking for a microphone under the £50 range, this would definitely be the one for you. It's nice that it's not wireless. I get fed up with these wireless microphones because it just ruins the sound quality and it just doesn't meet where I'd like it. This, however, is perfect. It comes with a long cable, a carrying pouch. Like I said, I can't really fault it. For this price, it's an amazing product. Make sure to subscribe, guys. It really helps me out, and I'll keep doing reviews like this. And also check out my live stream and gaming playlist in the description below. Thank you, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.